Hi Dream students, it's Mr. Francis. Welcome to the weekly Dream Student Dispatch, where you can find news and announcement about the upcoming week here at Dream. As always, you can find the dispatch here on our YouTube page, but also a customized version of the slide deck posted on Schoology. This is a big week for us as we get ready to transition to in-person learning for the first time since last spring. So here are 3 things that you need to know about the upcoming week. Let's dive in. Number 1, Tutorial Wednesday starts this week. This is our first Tutorial Wednesday of the year. So Tutorial Wednesday, reminder, is an opportunity for you to get extra support in any class that you need, be able to reassess to improve your grade, but also to ask your teachers any questions that you have. So Tutorial Wednesday starts this week for 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students. So let's talk about how you sign up to go to the tutorials on Wednesday. There are 3 tutorial blocks every week. You have to attend at least 2 in order to be marked present for the day. I'll say that one more time. Every student must attend at least 2 tutorials every Wednesday to be marked present for the day. Now there are 3, so you can go to up to 3, but you have to go to at least 2. Every week inside of the student dispatch, you're gonna see a link where you can see all of the tutorial blocks for your grade. And so you can click that and then go right there and be able to sign up. And one more reminder, you have to go to at least 2 in order to be marked present for the day. So right below here are the links for you to sign up, and make sure you do that. If you do not sign up, we will assign you to a tutorial for the week. So every week, look out for the links to sign up for the Tutorial Wednesdays that you want to go to. For this week, it's just for our freshmen, our sophomores, and our juniors, because on Wednesday, seniors will be taking the SAT. Number 2, the return to in-person learning is here. We're so excited to be welcoming you back into our buildings starting this week. So here's the rundown on what you need to know. On Wednesday, seniors are going to return to 1991 to take their SAT. We'll see you at 7:45. Again, that's seniors this Wednesday at 1991 for your SATs. Seniors will then be the first students to resume hybrid learning starting on Thursday and Friday at our BCNY campus. Freshmen, sophomores, and juniors start in-person learning next Monday at our 439 campus. So here's some key things that you need to know about the return to in-person school. I've gotten a few questions about, well, how do I know if I'm signed up for 100% remote or if I'm hybrid? Linked here in the student dispatch, I want you to look at this table here, and here you'll be able to see first if the section or pod you're in is a 100% remote one or if it is a hybrid one. You'll also see which days, if you are hybrid, you're expected to come into the building. As a general rule, if you are hybrid, you come in on your cohort learning days. And you can tell which days are your cohort learning days by looking at your calendar. So you'll see some classes are called cohort and some are called workshop. So on your cohort days, those are the days that you come into the building. But if you're not sure, just make sure you check out that chart. If you're a student who's interested in switching from 100% remote to hybrid or from hybrid to 100% remote, you and your family need to send me a email so we can fix that. And so check out this chart here. That'll tell you if you are in a pod that is either hybrid or 100% remote, and if you are hybrid, which days you come into school. Something else you need to know. Before you come into school, every student and staff must complete a wellness check form. It's an easy and simple form that gives you the opportunity to check in with yourself to know if you've had any symptoms related to COVID-19. So we'll send this form out via Remind, and you can also find it on our website. But you must fill out the form every day before you come in. If you forget to fill out the form and you come to school, we'll have a staff member check in with you so you can answer those questions when you get to school. But that's going to make you get into the building slower, and you don't want to start your day that way. So please make sure you fill out that form every day before you come to school. And there's one more thing about return to school. What is it? Yes, the dress code. I knew I was forgetting one more thing. So this year we'll be relaxing our dress code. We worked with the SGA to work on a proposal for what our dress code could be like for this school year. One, we recognize that students are coming into the building much less than they have in past years. We also know that this is a time of hardship for many members of our community, so we'll be relaxing our dress code for this year. So jeans are good, sweatpants are good, You still cannot wear a hoodie during class. You can wear a polo shirt, a t-shirt, a college crew. Just make sure you choose something that is appropriate. I trust that students are going to make the right choice about what they wear, and I'm thankful for SGA for their work on this. Shout out to SGA. So that's all we have for this week. Thank you for watching the Student Dispatch. As always, make sure you hit subscribe below so you can stay up to date on what's going on at Dream. Make sure you read the full version of the Student Dispatch so you can know what the upcoming assignments are for this week. And I'm so excited to get to see many of you in person this coming week. Make sure you checked out to know which days you're expected to come to school, and if you're in a hybrid or 100% remote pod. I love you, and I'll see you soon.